water.
So, welcome to Mineral Water Project Information. I'm Soumitra here, and today I'm going to present you a case study of another co-packing example. Very recently, while traveling from the ST bus in Maharashtra, I noticed this particular branded water by ST. Okay, so this is MSRTC branded. So I went to the shop and asked him, and it was available at only 15 rupees. Okay, so it was branded Oxycool. I said, and on the other side, it was one side it was Oxycool, and the other side Oxycool is a famous brand in Maharashtra, and other side it is actually Nath Jal. Okay, this was the case study point for me, so I have created a description on that, because with the rising competition actually in the packaged drinking water field, we need to come up with newer and newer models. So let's have a look at how two brands have come together and formed a great success story. So because from last 3-4 days I was trying somewhere in Maharashtra, and the state transport bus in Maharashtra, that is ST. This is the ST's, you can just check it, parked on the bus stands. That is the brand of ST. That is state transport route MSRTC. So what MSRTC has decided that, so since it is offering, why can't they offer the packaged drinking water? What they have done is now they have offered this water as 15 rupees, okay, in place of 20 rupees, which is routine sold. So what is I will show you the thing like. So you can see this is Nath Jal. So this is their brand actually. They have registered the trademark also. It says that. And what they have done is they have smartly tied up with a brand, another popular brand in Maharashtra. So it is Oxycool. Okay. So they have tied up with Oxycool people, and what they have done is, the great thing which I observed here is that they have actually, you can see that, you can see it, they have, it may not be much visible purely, but they have actually reduced the price, the MRP of 15. So in place of 20, it is otherwise sold. So if you see the distributor network here, the business model network here for Oxycool, suppose if you talk about Oxycool. So we have been talking about many videos about the business model canvas. So in the business model canvas, it is actually another value which they are trying to offer. Okay, so the customer segment they are targeting to hit directly is the B2C, directly the consumer who is traveling maybe. Okay, this is the customer segment they are trying to handle, and the value proposition they are offering is it is only at 15 rupees. So straight away 5 rupees saving they are getting, at least for the bus travelers who are traveling by ST. That's a very smart move by the Oxycool people, because they are targeting this, and they are tied up with whom? They are tied up with the State Transport Corporation. So naturally they are giving value proposition. And one more thing, they are cutting down, how they are how can they make more money through by, instead of selling at 20 rupees, they are selling at 15 rupees. So straight away understand that they have cut down the network here of distributors. So there are no distributors involved here. So distributor, sub-distributor, and directly the boy who is dispatching the, that may be still be available there, because from the counter which is at the ST stand, and there I think the ST, MSRTC must be appointing direct vendors at various bus stands. That must be the thing. I don't know what is that. So I will still inquire with ST also again. So if somebody wants to become a distributor of Nath Jal, what they can do. But I am according to my knowledge, Oxycool under the brand of Nath Jal through ST MSRTC, they must be straight away dispatching to the distributors. So they must be delivering to them, and then later on they must be this is the only chain which is available right now. The distributor and the boy which delivers, serves the bottle to you, bottle to the traveler. So this must be the model. So the channels, again you can think about this model in purview of the business model canvas. The first is customer segment. So which is the customer segment they are trying to offer and attract is the travelers who are traveling by ST. So this is the customer segment, okay, directly B2C market they are targeting. So by that, what they are achieving for them, they are cutting down the distribution chain. So if you don't know, actually the cost of a bottle manufactured is something around 8 rupees or something. That might be for Oxycool. It's a brand, it's a local brand. So it definitely it's not beyond 8 to 9 rupees pakka. Okay, so that is the first thing. So they can cut down the margin which was distributed to distributors, super stockists and all that. Okay, and the consumer is directly the person who is traveling. Okay, so this is the customer segment they are handling. Then comes the value proposition. Value proposition to the customer they are giving is that they are giving 5 rupees less than 20 rupees. So 15 rupees they are offering at number 2. Third value they are giving to the the MSRTC, who are the brand owners. You can see that ST. So they are the brand owners. So they actually are the people who takes care of the local road transport within Maharashtra. Okay, so to them they are offering a value that they are coming out with additional branded water. So when there is government involved in that, so it is more assured water. So this is number 2 value. Then this is the value proposition they are offering. Water as it is, Oxycool is a good brand, good local brand. So they already enjoy some brand value against them. So there is no question. And additionally, the ISI is also there. So if you know about it, so I already they are ISI approved, BIS approved. Okay. So ISI and FSSI both are there, and they are doing it for you can see it here. It is very clearly said Vishesh Pack. So Maharashtra Rajya Marga Parivahan Mahamandal means it is specially packed for MSRTC. So that is also they are doing. Okay, so this is the value. The customer has a pakka guarantee that it is a good water. So this value proposition. Third comes the customer relations. The customer relationships, already ST is making some relationships, and the placement of the stall. I saw 2 or 3 places. It was very prominently where the STs the buses are parked. So though that is another thing which has been given. Now that is the value proposition and customer relationships which they are achieving with the people. And delivery channels, obviously through the bus STs only they must be transporting. So transportation, again delivery channel, and information reach is also at the ST stand dominantly. So this is about that. Revenue stream, definitely it's sale of packaged drinking water for Oxycool. For ST also it's a new revenue stream. It is a new revenue stream, selling of packaged drinking water. Think of, there are 2 parties who are the beneficiary in this. So one is the ST MSRTC, and one is the brand owner, the Oxycool, their shell case. Okay, so that is, they both make, both them revenue streams have. For ST it is a new revenue stream, sale of packaged drinking water. Okay, now this one and another if you come to the key activities for Shelke beverages, they will always look into it that they promptly deliver all the things to MSRTC. Now for key activity for MSRTC, they should maintain a hygienic condition of the stalls, which is, that is what is, I think there is a suggestion from our end that ST, particularly the MSRTC, should look into it that the stall where it is delivered should look more neat and more clean. So that is what is suggestion from our end. But otherwise they are delivering a fine value. Key activities is that then the person who is actually distributing, so even Oxycool and MSRTC should also make some compulsion about the brand. How do they carry hygiene? Because they are just looking like other vendors, so they are not looking very hygienic. I mean, they don't make much of a difference over there. So this is another suggestion. And otherwise key activities are that key partners are, who are the key partners for both of them. For Oxycool, ST, MSRTC becomes a key partner, and for MSRTC, Oxycool, who supplies them the packaged drinking water, as well as the distributor actually at the bus depot, who is keeping the stock, and the boy who delivers the finally the water. So these also become the key partners. Okay, so for key partners, what becomes a key resource for this particular business model? For Oxycool, key resource is, and naturally the ST depots and neat and clean places where they are storing it. For MSRTC, it becomes the other way around. Okay, key resource is the bottled water supplier. For today it is Oxycool, so they make some arrangements with the others also, maybe, because Nath Jal is the brand, and under you can see that this is the brand, Nath Jal is the brand, and this is the brand which is packing for them. So it is co-branding, it's not co-packing, it's co-branding. Okay, so this is another thing. And naturally the key partners we discuss, the key resources we discuss, key activities we discuss, and the cost structure. Naturally cost structure for Oxycool, it is already, the cost structure is established. Now they are cutting down all the distribution in between that, so they are naturally making some good amount of money, at least they are not in the losses pakka, and they have another they have added another segment of market, so the sale will obviously increase for Oxycool. And for MSRTC as well, the same thing. The cost structure will be only the cost of purchase, that's all. That is a direct cost. So I don't think so much indirect cost involved in that. Maybe some couple of places branding, but as it is, ST stand itself is a brand. It's a place where it's already positioned properly. So there is not much. That is a very smart move, and in future these kind of partnerships will come more and more. And I would also see that these things of innovative models should be developed by the manufacturers. Then only you can be in profits and you can really make good amount of money. So thank you, stay there and keep watching the business model canvas videos, and subscribe to our channel Mindra Auto Project Information, and definitely press the bell icon so that you will not miss a single video.